Hey guys, RiderTech here. Let's talk about the MIA app and the MIA accessory that Aprilia allows you to put on the RS660, the Touareg and the Tuono. I have it. My initial input was that it would allow me to track the bike, and it does that. It also allows you to export stuff like it's the app that allows you to use the GPS on the dashboard and also to connect the phone with the bike and use the commands to like take calls, call back, play music, stuff like that. And I must say, guys, that the app does what it says. It works well, it connects well to the phone, it tracks where you park the bike, it gets all the stats that you want and more. Everything works flawlessly. But for me, there's a big missing feature, and that is there's no way for me to get information out of here. So basically, if I want to get the GPS info of my trip, I need to use something external to the bike. I cannot use the data on the bike. You cannot extract information from the app. You can only visualize it. There's no way to take it off. And guys, that for me makes the app less makes it less of a sure buy as an accessory. Because if you want the GPS, and you can get GPS with anything else, you basically don't need that for that. So using the GPS on the dash makes you it's not a feature that I would say is interesting, at least for me. In the point of using the bike controls to control calls and stuff like that, I already could do that with my Cardo, so that's another don't need that. So the only thing that I was looking for was actually tracking the data of my trip and removing it and putting some kind of telemetry app, stuff like that. But I cannot do that. So basically, the MIA app is not something that I recommend as an accessory if you already have solutions. And I have solutions for everything except for what I wanted, but I cannot do what I wanted. So that's it, guys. That's my 2 cents on the MIA app. But it works great for what it does. It tracks everything, the trip, everything is awesome. But that's it, guys. You cannot take the information out of the phone, and for me, that kills it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see ya.